পরে যেতে।
Hello everyone again, once again. Award is always very special for everyone and so for me also, and I'm really thankful and honored and I'm humbled to receive this award. এবং আমি থ্যাঙ্কস জানাবো সব অর্গানাইজার্সদেরকে এবং ইউ উইমেনকে and Akash Bhai, ATV USA and Pial Bhai and all the dignitaries here present on stage. I would like to thank everyone. Ishadi